May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news?
Yeah, man, people, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, a Media Fox, man. You see it? Yeah, man. You know a thing set. You see it? But a be a thing I go on in Jamaica, people. Be a thing I go on in Jamaica. May I tell you? Be a thing. People not to see this, cause I don't know what really I go on. So tell me now, people, you can get me. I do them something you feel over just one meal deal? No, man, this a madness, man. This a madness, people. A madness this. Me no think say 2 pieces of chicken can get me. I go on so crazy. No, sir. This a madness. You tell me say nobody no want cook again. Everybody want. Boy, Jamie, may I tell you about freeness, you know? Freeness. I don't know what KFC have a 50 years thing, a deal. You don't know them have the big deal thing. When you buy one, you get meal deal free. May I tell you, say island-wide chaos. Chaos, people. Me I go play it and make you see what I go on. People, wanna see what chicken do? Chicken make all glass broke out. The people, no man, KFC, Colonel, what you put in a chicken? No, still, yo, Jano, where Colonel put in that chicken? Cause me no see no other chicken make people them a broke through glass. So this come like some Mission Impossible thing. Me say all people all sleep. Me see all ring light. People are sleep. If you wait, just want 2-piece chicken free. What go on in Jamaica? Me no know where KFC gonna put this a deal up on a Wednesday, no. Me I tell you, no. Nobody no want go work. Me I tell you, say, yo, people are in a hot sun, you know, man. When this a sun, you have catch up, you know, people. Me I tell you, no. A be a madness. Yo, people, when you see one baby a while ago, you know. When you see people them all with the baby catch off. Imagine you see all your pitney in a somebody hand. I got you a squeeze through with 2 pieces of chicken. No man. Yo, them people that don't in Jamaica, we no need to do better. We no need to do better, man. Jano, I saw everybody hungry, so like food. Yo, Jano, me see how them deal with the chicken there. No, sir. May I tell you? No, sir. Me see how them deal the container chicken, but Jano, yo, may I tell you, say people them a bombard KFC. No, man, KFC, you don't need to get a beat, man. You know Jamaican stay when it come to freeness already, man. You know, care worse of food. Something where for go in our belly. No, man, that nah go work, man. May I tell you, it nah go work. But people have to go and watch. Yo, may I tell you, no, man, a chaos in a Wednesday, may I tell you. This has to be studied, people. Them people are not, no man, them people, yo, may I tell you, no, KFC not cheap, you know, people. May I tell you, no, KFC not cheap. KFC not cheap, may I tell you. And if you see people them are going so to rotted. Yo, no man. I mean, no say, some of them people don't really have it. But me know them find it to get that deal today. All who in a partner jar, who go borrow John money, or who go borrow Keisha money, Rai money, Pim money, all who for money them have to go borrow. Them a borrow it for get this a deal today and I pass them car. This is a once of lifetime deal and maybe I go get it. Remember say KFC no real give you things like that, you know. So when them a get meal deal, barbecue chicken, yo, them a run out a one thing to play with. Let me tell you this, man. You say if you're going to one KFC at Jamaica, don't go in there and go on like you want to make people or keep up people time. Remember me tell you, man, you will get, me I tell you say, man, you will get your life taken out, man. Just for one piece of chicken. Me I tell you, one piece of barbecue chicken will make you lose your life. Me I tell you, in a Jamaica. Me I tell you. Yeah? One barbecue chicken will make you lose your life. That's how Jamaican take KFC serious. Me I tell you. Yeah, man, no play Jamaican and then KFC. Yo, me I tell you, people them couldn't wait enough for bust through it. Yo, no. Me I tell you, people couldn't wait, people. Them couldn't wait for bust through. Me I tell you. Them couldn't wait for bust through. Yeah, man. Them couldn't wait, man. Me I tell you. It don't look good. You see it. People them need to do better than this. Them need to do better than this, man. Me I tell you. You can see the people, yo, they're not even, we know enough people in the morning there, Wednesday morning, enough of them not be there, no. Not even teeth brush, may I tell you. Yeah, man, not even teeth brush, man. May I tell you that. Not even teeth brush. May I tell you the people, boy, I not even know. Yo, a chaos in a Wednesday. I don't know what kind of deal this KFC go put in a Wednesday, because it a cause problem. Big war all bust out. Woman get all spit in her face and one bag of something. You see me? Yeah, man. Police a draw with people. Jano. See the people, I saw you know when they get serious and the police have to reach on the scene, you know. May I tell you, you will get your life taken out just for a barbecue chicken. Yeah, man, you will get taken out, man. Look at this. Police have to reach up on the scene. May I tell you, people, police have to reach on the scene. It don't look good. May I tell you, it don't look good at all. You see what I try to say? On the scene, people. You see it? KFC, me never know say one chicken could have caused this a chaos here. No, man, me no know. Me no see KFC them overseas are going, people are going over chicken. Me I tell you, me no know what wrong with Jamaican KFC chicken. Me no know, but something in there where Thai people them, it come like say KFC and them pitney in a belly. Me I tell you. Yeah, man, them take them KFC serious, man. Them take them KFC serious. So you know, say, something go on, you know. Seeing? A hungry, you know, man. Hungry one dangerous thing, you know. Hungry one dangerous thing, man. And you say them worse, they must stand up all long. I wait in a line. You know, I want serious thing. Yeah, man, I want serious thing go on, man. May I tell you, when the hungry kick and go so, cook. In the two left corner of your belly, them, you know what time now. Your body can't even groan if your body say nothing too tough. And you think about the barbecue chicken, yeah, man, you know you get something. Boy, this you know you get serious, you know. So this a brother you want Tom. It look like she want him want war. This a person here. John, no, may I tell the people, it rough. It very rough, man. War going over KFC chicken, John. No, man, KFC, me don't know what you're doing on Wednesday morning, you know. Yeah, man, you deal with John. Rough in a Wednesday morning, you know. May I tell you. You rough, man. Rough in a Wednesday morning, you know, man. Rough. You see it? Cause I don't know where this a brother you want to do you know. Yo, me couldn't all see myself, you know, people. Me couldn't all see myself, you know. So me I go KFC and I war with somebody over chicken, you know. No, man, my thing not so lily, man. Me I tell you. Nobody now see me in no KFC a war over no chicken. You mad? That's why when me do me just harder my thing online, you know, cause me can't bother with the drama. You understand? Cause everybody we walk going to KFC hungry, you know. It's not like when you walk in a restaurant and you say, you buy food. When somebody go KFC, they might buy food to go in the yard. They might have first thing, chicken and eat everything. Yo, me I tell you, know, people. Me know say police will come for him and angle him now, you know. Zine, cause, Jano, imagine, you say you get up out of your bed just to get KFC to rotted and just know say, yo, you get arrested because of the hunger of barbecue chicken. Eh? You see what barbecue chicken and spicy chicken cost? And regular? You see where chicken do? Imagine, you go end up, go to jail because I want fried chicken. No man, this has to be studied. It has to be studied. May I tell you? Yeah man. Jano, one chicken. I just 2 pieces of chicken in a meal deal, you know. I met this man here, all if him no go jail. He might go jail now because I want meal deal. It never did that for go yourself, you know. Watch it. All them things are shameful now, people. I tell you, this shameful, you know. Yeah, man, this shameful, man. Imagine, brother, when you get up out of no bed and look there, police are all and pulling in the road because I want meal deal, 2 pieces of chicken. Eh? 2 pieces of spicy chicken or barbecue chicken or regular chicken with fries on the side. And you get your little juice. At that make you go end up in a jail, brother. Why you no can't just keep no hunger on a calm level? You understand? This no look good. This no look good at all, people. May I tell you, it no look good at all, man. May I tell you? Alright, watch it. Yo, may I tell you, people? You will never see me. Zine? You will never see me in a drive-thru in a Jamaica. Say me a wait. Yo, people buy one meal deal and just sit down in the car and the AC a blow, you know. Me not have them the patient there. There's no food that gonna make me catch up. And in a this line and wait and sit down and wait for chicken. No man, I'm madness this man. Me not deal with that. That can go one side. You understand? Me now waiting and no line for no chicken in a car waste my gas over 2 pieces of chicken. No sign not work, so you mad man. Yo people, may I tell you no, them people are really not nothing to do. May I tell you, cause if you wait out of this line, look on the line. 2 pieces of chicken, Jano, rough. Jamaica rough man. May I tell you, it rough. It half rough. In a hot sun, I wait for 2 pieces of chicken, brother. You know when you're hungry, yo, when you're hungry, you know, and you're there in a cool place, you know, you can, but you see, you can easy, but when you see in a when you're in a hot place in the sun and the sun a boil and you're hungry, and you know, say, yo, the acid in your belly a boil up, you know, I don't want normal thing that. Yeah man, you rough down a jam down here man. Yeah man. Yeah man, me I tell you. People, me I tell you. Don't go in a KFC a fight over no chicken because I go end up on social media. Me I tell you. You know wait till one day when there's no deal or nothing. Yeah man, me I tell you no. It no look good. Don't end up at jail because